Hello everyone, I wanted to show you the Tuono 660 Heppo Sport Rack and Journey Top Box 30 liter. It's an interesting mounting solution. The Sport Rack is this metal bracket right here that actually replaces the rear seat, and it secures the same exact way the rear seat would. And then the Journey Top Box has the bottom part, which is this plastic piece that bolts to the Sport Rack. And as you can see down here, there's the 30 liter box. It'll fit a helmet, no problem in it. And let me strap it on. I'll show you what it looks like from the rear before I put it back on. Pretty good solution if you want a top box for your Tuono, since you probably won't have a passenger. See if I can put it on with one hand. There's these little rails that are hard to see. It just clicks in, and as you can see, there's a key with a red cover on it, and it has open, close, and press and pull. Press and pulls to take it off of the rack. And there we go. And this red button is used to get it off of the rack. And if you open it, it's actually fairly large. It's not quite as deep as some of the metal boxes, but it's still deep enough, as you can see. And that's it. I think it was worth it to have some actual storage space on the bike, since it's a big hassle having to go somewhere and carry your helmet or whatever you have with you. Plus you can, when you're at a light and in neutral, you can actually lean back and have a little backrest while you're in neutral, sitting at a light or whatever, which is kind of cool. And I will put the links in the description. Thanks.